Shop Supplies feature. Hello and welcome back to AutoRepair Cloud channel. This time you will learn how to set up and use the Shop Supplies feature, which has received many additional functions due to our recent large-scale updates. Go to the Configuration section, select Financial, then select Shop Supplies menu. Here, you will see a list of all suppliers available to connect. To use the advanced auto parts, click Activate. Here you can register or link an already existing account by pressing I have registration button. If you would like to register, enter your data and press Request Registration. The representatives of Advanced Auto Parts will contact you shortly to continue the registration process. To activate the online stores such as Amazon, eBay, PartsGeek, and Discount Auto Parts, simply enable the switch. Integration with Napa is now in the pilot mode. If you would like to sign up to participate in this pilot program with Napa, email us at support@autorepaircloud.com and we will help you to enroll into the program. The program will give you the ability to purchase auto parts directly from Napa via AutoRepair Cloud. We only ask you to provide us and Napa with a feedback so that we can improve the integration before launching the service for all our users. By clicking the Show More button, you will be able to see the entire list of suppliers who are able to connect via Next Part. To connect to the next part, press Activate. If you have not used the next part before, please follow the instructions to set up your login account. Ask your auto parts supplier to provide you with the next part login information, and you will receive the necessary information to log in. After obtaining the login credentials, you can log into your next part account and then activate your account. If you already have an account, press I have registration to skip this step. Enter your username and password and click Link to Account. If everything went well, you will receive a notification. Now, you can activate the suppliers who work via Next Part. If you did not find the required store in the list, press Add New and enter the name of the store. Integration with Epicor is now in the pilot mode. If you would like to sign up to participate in this pilot program with Epicor, send us an email at support@autorepaircloud.com and we will help you to enroll into the program. Click on the pencil icon and select the address of the nearest store. After you have activated the required suppliers, you can go to the repair page. If you do not know how to do this, please see our previous video. Select the repair item parts. Enter the keywords for the required part, for example, the name or a part number, and press Search. On the very top of the page that opened up, you can see the auto parts search results for your inventory. By pressing Select Part, you will get transferred to the menu where you will be able to add the new part to the repair. You can learn in more detail how to work with inventory and auto parts from our previous video. You can see the search results for the connected suppliers. Press Select Part located in front of the online store and you will see a list of parts found on Amazon, eBay, PartsGeek, and Discount Auto Parts. Here you can see the pictures of auto parts, their specifications, and cost. Choose the number of the required parts and press Select. On the page that opened up, select the status and click Purchase. After these steps are completed, the part is added to the repair and the order will become available in the Auto Parts menu. Press Show All, and as an example, select the supplier who works via Amazon. Select the necessary part by pressing Select, then click Purchase. If a credit card is linked to your account, the purchase will be processed automatically. If you are using Amazon for the first time, go to the site and link the credit card during your purchase. After you link your credit card, all your next purchases will be processed automatically by clicking on Purchase. If the purchase went well, you will receive a notification. This means that your purchase has been added to the repair and the order has been saved. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Receive all new updates from AutoRepair Cloud and keep your business at the top level.